Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Z. I'm a tattoo artist, and normally I would say I'm 24 years old, but I am turning 25 tomorrow. And you know, that is just so crazy to say. I'm coming upon my quarter life crisis, and there's nothing I can do to press pause. But at the same time, I feel like I've kind of been preparing for my mid-20s ever since I was a young child. It's a chapter of my life that I've been looking forward to for a really long time. And you know, I'm really proud of everything I've accomplished up until my early 20s. I've put in a lot of hard work and tried to be the best person that I can be. And sometimes, you know, insecurities and shortcomings come between me and my goals. And so I think my mid-20s is where I really want to push even further into being my best me. And as I'm making this glow up video, I think I just want to really set myself up for success. You know, preparation is key, and there'll be slightly more like superficial things. I want to look my best, you know, entering 25, but I also want to touch upon slightly more long-term goals, more about becoming more in touch with who I am in the inside and who I want to be in the inside so it can really shine, and you know, really building that self-confidence. And I really like this quote that Arthur Ashe said, which is, one important key to success is self-confidence, an important key to self-confidence is preparation. It's almost about living the mood board that you created for your life, and not just letting the universe take the reins, but you know, you yourself taking physical steps into being the best you. I've never actually been a huge mood board type of girly, but my friend this year suggested that I make a mood board for my 25th birthday. So I've been spending a couple days making my mood board on Pinterest, and I'm really excited about it. I think it's a really good idea as like a visual person to create a visualization of the life I want to lead, the experiences that I want to have. So let me go to my computer and show you what is on my Pinterest board. So I have my little Pinterest board over here. Like I said, it's still a work in progress, but I've gotten quite a few little pins. First of all, I am dying to get my hair cut. I would love to get like a hush cut, wolf cut type situation. A lot of plants. I've actually really wanted to get into doing bonsais because I love the artistry of it all. And then this one's super cute. This is like a cafe at home type situation. Invite some friends over, get some coffee going, and I really want to be working out. And there's a lot of like film type get together party vibes. I've signed up for a woodworking class to learn more skills, and woodworking is something that's been really interesting to me. I love to start making more like furniture and cute small bits. I also want to make my own curtains in the new place. And yeah, that's kind of my mood board. I'm still kind of fleshing it out. It's really helping me to visualize the kind of vibe I want in the near future. Just about to head out to the hair appointment. Let me actually take out my hairband right now because I want to show you the state of my hair, even though it's a little bit greasy right now. I haven't washed in like 2 days, but it's just quite limp. I feel like my problem point right now is that I have pretty thin hair at the front of my face, especially on the right side over here. And so I feel like my current hair, I feel like these long pieces in the front, I like it on other people when they have lots of hair. And I've just kind of come to accept that I don't have a lot of hair in the front of my head anymore. So I think what I want them to do is do a wolf cut of sorts, kind of add a little bit of volume in the front, and then kind of fade out and texture the bottoms. I've had this haircut before. I'll put a photo over here. I'm going to Greenbone Shop and getting a haircut by King. He's like the tattoo artist, hairdresser. Like all the tattoo artists I know, they all go to him, and his haircuts are just so fabulous. So I'm really excited. we are headed to the Apple store to pick up my new MacBook Pro that my boyfriend so lovingly got for me for my birthday. I've had the 2020 MacBook Pro, not the M1 chip. I actually just missed it by like a couple months or something like that. Or it's the old Intel chip and it's just not running very smoothly anymore. It started to glitch recently, especially when using the keyboard, which is not cute. I'm just really looking forward to being able to edit videos without everything lagging. I've been really wanting to try out DaVinci Resolve and all the nodes for color grading, and my current computer setup just can't handle all of that, so I'm really excited. Okay, so we just got home. I got all comfy, put my glasses back on, and I'm gonna unbox the MacBook Pro with y'all. I feel like the Apple products are always so aesthetic, so it's a missed opportunity if you don't. Ta-da! I got the M4 Pro chip, 24 gigabytes and 1 terabyte of storage. I think it should be a pretty good configuration for me for my workflow. Let's open it. Finally, we have an SD card slot. I've actually not had a laptop that had an SD card slot. Cool. Shall we open it? Ta-da! Ooh, satisfying. And it's also
English is the main language. Press the return key.
And it's also got the new, or I guess it's like the old charger. We went back to the fat ones. I think previously it was just the USB-C. I've not used a MacBook that had this as well, so that's gonna be quite interesting. I've always stayed within the USB-C era. And let's go set it up. Muffin, you ripping up my packaging? So it's been a couple of days since I got my new MacBook Pro, and I just wanted to say that it has been such a game changer in terms of my workflow. I actually still have my old MacBook Pro over here. It's covered in lovely little stickers because that was the vibe back then, but I think I'm gonna keep this one clean. Anyway, the main changes that I've noticed is actually just how incredibly fast this computer is at importing and exporting footage. So previously with my old MacBook, I really could only import footage and export footage within like a 3-hour time span. Like it would take 3 hours for a video to export on Final Cut Pro. And this new one, I kid you not, takes literally 12 to 15 minutes for like a 30 gigabyte sized video. And it's just such a game changer because it's making me really excited about making videos. I know that I can work on multiple at the same time. It's amazing to just have a fast working machine, and super grateful. So that is the update on the MacBook Pro. I am actually headed out to a dinner later today with my friends. I have my nails done already and they are super cute. Gonna get dressed in a moment and start heading out. I'm just excited to spend some of my birthday with my friends, even though it's before the fact, but yeah, always a good time in good company. So let's get dressed and head out. This is the outfit that I'm going to be wearing. It's an it's an Abercrombie dress that I bought a while back. And then I'm also going to be wearing my vintage Skechers boots. I've had these forever and I haven't worn them in a really long time because I lost them for a while. Like I had no clue where they were, and my boyfriend recently found them in our deep storage. But this is what it looks like. I haven't worn this outfit in so long. Forgot how cute it is, but these are the boots. Hold my little bag and let's go to town.
Cheers to health and wealth in your new birthday.
Cheers!
Eye contact, eye contact, eye contact. Birthday. Wow, this is so good. Hi! My new cam.
And now the trifecta is complete.
Yay!
We're at Soother.
Cheers to health and wealth again. Eye contact. And then we both drink. And then we drink it more up there.
Cute!
Oh.
It's a Mickey bag.
All my friends are so good at everything. What the fuck? You made that?
Yes. Yeah, I finished it today. I was like, I'm gonna put my dog in it.
I don't know. I'm aghast.
Little rabbit. Yeah, if you want one, let me.
Face smile. Look. Yay! That's beautiful. Thank you. Wow. To you. Happy birthday, dear Z. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Okay.
Happy birthday!
Man, okay, so one day before I turned 25, and something one of my friends really got me into is reflecting on my rose, bud, and thorn of each year. The rose, which is the best thing that happened in 24, the thorn, the worst thing that happened in 24, and then the bud, which is the thing that I'm going to be most looking forward to in 25. And I think this is a really great way to reflect on each year and also create some positive hopes and dreams for the next. And you know, this is my first birthday on YouTube, and so I thought it'd be kind of fun to document the rosebud and thorn of each year and see how each year pans out, and you know, what came true, also the downfalls of each year. I think that's the reality of things. So let me take you through the rosebud and thorn of my 24. I would probably say that the rose of 24 was that I really learned how to validate my feelings. I think it's important to be reflective and play devil's advocate for everyone's feeling involved in any situation, but I think it's important to not discount the way other people make you feel and how situations make you feel as well. And I think I've spent too long of my life thinking too much about how other people are feeling that I kind of am a people pleaser and I stopped caring about myself. This year, I started to really start thinking about my feelings the way that I would think about my friends' feelings. And so I'm really proud of myself this year because I've stood up for myself. I've validated my feelings internally. I don't always need to confront others in order to stand up for myself. I think just accepting that, my feelings are true and my feelings are valid has been enough for me to be proud of myself in that sense of self-growth. My thorn this year is that I feel like I didn't feel as much creativity towards my job as a tattoo artist. I definitely fell into a slump, and I think a big part of that is because of social media. And social media is a tricky one because it's a huge part of my job. It's even what I'm doing right now. But I think I was starting to feel a little bit less authentic in who I am creatively. I feel like I've been putting a lot of effort still into my work, and I'm proud of myself for that. I think in this next year, instead of being so much in the mindset of being a consumer, I really want to work on becoming a creator and, not getting so wrapped up in the analytics and the numbers of it all. I think that is where my downfall was this past year. And next year, I just want to have a lot of fun creating. So look out for that. And then let's move into the bud, which is honestly the most exciting one of them all. I am such a forward-thinking person, and I love creating for the future and pondering upon all the great things that are going to happen in the next year. I am feeling super motivated about creating the environment that's going to make me the happiest. I am about to embark in a huge move before this year ends, and it just feels so serendipitous to be able to create a home and an environment that just truly makes me happy in the next year of my life. And then the other thing is that I feel like I'm building a really good tribe of amazing, beautiful people in my life. I just want to keep pushing that. There are people out there that are so supportive of me and love me, and I love them back. I just really want to pour a lot of my attention into those relationships and to kind of put aside any other relationships that aren't serving me. That's something that I'm really excited about, and I think that's what I want to focus my love and attention to. Well, that leads me to the end of the video. Thank you for joining me on my pre-25th birthday glow up situation. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know if you did any of these things before your birthday, and or what was your rosebud and thorn of 2024. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!